Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we solve this expression to find out the value of t. No, we solve it. No, we taking both side power of 1 over 9. 1 over 9t. So they give us 3 power of t power of 1 over 9t equal to t power of 9 power of 1 over 9t. Now this t cancel with this t and this 9 with cancel this 9. So 3 power of 1 power of 1 over 9 equal to t power of 1 over t. Now we know that power of 1. 3 divided by 3, again they give us 1. Now we put this 1 is here. So 3 power of 3 divided by 3 and 1 over 9 equal to t power of 1 over t. Because here a power of m power of n is equal to a power of m n. Now they give us 3 power of 3 and here 3 times 9 they give us 1 over 27 equal to t power of 1 over t. Now 3 power of 3 equal to 27 power of 1 over 27 equal to t power of 1 over t. Now comparing 27 equal to t and here 1 over t is equal to base with base and power with power. Now compare. So the value of t equal to 27. Now we verify it is. So put the value of t in the real expression. So 3 power of t equal to t power of 9. Now put the value of t here. So 3 power of t is equal to 27 and 27 power of 9. Now we know that here is 3 power of 3 times 9. Again they give us 27 and here 27 power of 9. Now we write as 3 power of 3 power of 9 equal to 27 power of 9, because here we know that a power of m n equal to a power of m power of n. So 3 times 3 power of 3 they give us 27 power of 9 equal to 27 power of 9. So it is verified that is correct because left hand side and right hand side is equal. So the value of t is 27. It is correct. Thanks for watching.